Welcome to the Goddess of Abundance. This is a great time to celebrate the abundance of nature. My name is Eris Klein, and in this lesson, I will show you how to create this beautiful image. Artistically, I will share with you my knowledge of how to edit an image, to edit the color, and to make it pop out more. How to add colorful party makeup, complete with eyeshadow, glitter, and glossy lips. How to enhance the eyes and make them more realistic, or define the lips by adding some photo corrections and highlights for that dewy look. And then finally, you'll get an opportunity to create your own decorative mask with shading that gives it dimension and brings it to life. We'll also use a clipping mask, a mask for the mask. And then I will show you how to create realistic hair by adding highlights and wispy strands and a little bit of color. And then we will collage with vintage artwork. And then I will share with you how I go about critiquing my own artwork as a professional artist, and then adjust items to make them more pleasing and harmonious.